Hey everybody, it's Dennis at FarWest Garden Center. It's a great day down at FarWest, and today we're going to talk about blueberries, one of our favorite things to go grab and eat, and they're so easy to grow, so we're going to go through there real quick, how they like it and don't like it in Boise, and how you can get a whole bowl of blueberries when we're done. So the first thing to remember is blueberries are very hardy. They really like Boise's climate. They hate Boise's soil. So blueberries are a very acidic loving plant. We have very alkaline soil, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to dig out the hole that we're going to put our blueberry in. We're going to make that thing about 18 to 20 inches wide by 18 to 20 inches deep, and we're going to take that soil and get rid of it somewhere else in the yard. We're going to replace that soil 100% with the EV Stone Organic Azalea Camellia and Acid Planting Mix. We're going to fill our hole with that. Then we're going to take our blueberry and we're going to take it out of the pot and we're going to nestle it down into that. We don't mind if that's planted a little bit high. We just don't want that planted low. These have a very shallow, fibrous root system, and they don't like being drowned. So we'd rather have it be a little high and have the water run off than have it too low. So that gives our blueberry a chance to be in really good soil, acidic soil that they like. That gets that pH down to about 6.5, 6.0, which is where they can live. They really would love to live in about 4.5. That's very difficult to get to in Boise. But while we're planting it, while we're nestling that down in there, we're going to do two more things that are going to help us out. We're going to add some soil sulfur. We have two choices here at FarWest. We've got soil sulfur, which is 90% soil sulfur. This is the one I like, but we also carry the Espoma line, which is about 40% sulfur, and it's a really good sulfur option also. So we're going to mix this in about a handful. The actual mixing instructions are on the package, but about a handful with each 2-gallon plant. And then we're going to mix it in the soil as we plant it. Soil sulfur changes the pH down into the acidic level, and this is going to become our best friend to make sure that blueberries are happy and loving our soil here in Boise. So we're going to plant with the acid planting mix here. We're going to mix these two guys, one of these two guys, your choice, one of these two guys in the soil with it, and then we're going to give it a little fertilizing. And I really like the Espoma Berry Tone. This is basically an organic. We want organics when we're dealing with something we're going to eat. So this is an organic fertilizer, slow release, and we're going to mix that in the hole right around the plant to give it its feeding on it. So now we've got that plant, we got the hole made for it. It loves the soil. We got the plant in. We've got our amendments in there, so it's going to be very happy. The next thing we're going to do is going to water it in really good, make sure it's off to a good start. With that, you've got a blueberry that's going to love the soil and love the climate. But how do we get lots and lots of blueberries? If we plant just one blueberry plant, they are self-fruiting, but they don't put up much blueberries on their own. But if we can get two blueberries, if we can do this one and this one, two of them that are going to be in the bloom cycle that are close together, they're going to cross-pollinate with each other, and that's how we get the bowls full of fruit every couple weeks once they start bearing fruit. So now we've got two plants, we've got them planted right. We're going to talk about watering. They just need average lawn water or average shrub water like you'd put on any of the other vegetables you've got in your garden until they start making berries. When they start getting berries, you're going to want to up that water. You're going to take that thing from maybe 3 times a week to 4 times a week. When those berries really start getting big, we're going to go to 5 times a week. That way that water sucks into the plant, up into the berries, and you get some really big juicy berries. I have grown berries up to the size of quarters before by just adding that extra water, having them in a healthy environment. So we're going to cross-pollinate with two. So now we've got two plants planted right. We've got it watering right. What else is there to think about? Not much else. We're going to prune them once a year, maybe just clean off a few of the long sprouts, something like this. We might come back down in here and just prune that one off here, maybe that one down here. That bush gets nice and round in shape to it. What we want to do is end up with something like this. See all these flowers come on? Isn't that amazing? This is exciting. This is going to have so many berries this year. We really don't have much of an insect or disease problem in here. Your biggest problem with a pest is going to be the birds. You're going to want to put a net over it or something like that. Those birds come in and they will clean off your blueberry plants. They wait till they just get to the point where it's like, tomorrow I'm going to pick that one. You'll go back out there that day, that berry will be gone. So anyway, I think if you follow this instructions, planting with this, amending with this, and then putting a little bit of compost over the top just to hold the moisture in and keep the weeds down, I think you're going to have a lot of success with those. So if you have any questions, come see us at FarWest Landscape and Garden Center. Love to make sure that you're successful at your gardening. This is Dennis. Have a great day.